Hi, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to create home screen folder on this device. So first let's open the for example one from our device home screens. So let's first add here a couple of applications. So now just to create the home screen folder, we should hold the app and drag this app to another one. This is the simplest way how we can create a new home screen folder. By the same way we can add here more applications, and we can see here that we just add them successfully. To add here more apps, by the same way, open the folder, click to the plus icon and select all of the applications which you wanna add. Then tap to done, and we can see that we just successfully add the new applications to our folder. To give a name to the folder or to rename it, just click here to the name, tap to apps, to done, and we just successfully renamed our folder. If you want to move it here on the screen or between the screens, we just should hold the folder and just drag it. We can also create the new screens with the folder. Just to remove some of the folders here, hold it, or the applications from the folder, hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. If you want to remove it from the folder from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove icon. Just if you want to remove a couple of apps in one click, hold the application, tap to select these apps, and then just tap to remove. Also, we can remove all of the applications with the folders in one click, so hold the folder and tap to remove icon. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.